But imagine if they were all doing this out in the big ocean. There might be more of them hunting together. They're really going to confuse that shark. He's not going to know which way to go and which sea line to grab. But the other part of it is, as they tuck their flippers to their sides, they increase their speed, and they take a quick breath of air when they're out of the water. So it is pretty smart. Thank you, girls. Now we're able to do all these neat things with the sea lions here. They're training. The type of training we do is called operant conditioning. Now a couple of times we've seen the sea lions swim off. Chloe? There she goes again. Wonder what we ought to do here. Amy? What'd they say about this? What's your thoughts on that, Skimmer? Well, I guess we'll just have to wait till they come back. Man, this is kind of boring. Yeah. Well, there she is. Should you? Are you cracking a funny now? Okay, thank you. She spanked herself for us. Thank you, Chloe. That's right. Actually, there's no way we'd punish these guys. We just saved their fish. But the beauty of the training is she did come back because we make it positive. And they love to eat. That's the better side of the coin. And a lot of times we can do some really important things with them. Now the training enriches their lives. These guys are very smart. They tend to get bored here. Like we said, you can see them laying around being taking the sun in and just lazy. But if they've got some training involved in their life, it's going to stimulate them mentally and physically. Makes them think. They are smart guys. So we train animal husbandry, lets us take care of their teeth. Hey, get voluntary blood draws on them, do body checks, get weights on them every day. Oh, there's all kinds of cool things we can do with them. Now the fun stuff you came to see are the show behaviors. And I didn't mention, it's called operant conditioning. It's based on positive reinforcement. The sea lion learns at the very beginning that a whistle means he's going to get a fish. So there you go from there and incorporate cues. Here's how we get a bark. That was pretty easy. Yeah, they're just watching our hands. They did it right. Now here's how we get a flip. All right, big circle. What do I get? Oh, big circle from a sea lion. Way to go, girl. All right. Oh, Skimmer's giving her a hand. Thank you, Skimmer. All right. That's right. Now, they don't instantly learn these. Sometimes it's taught in different steps, and it works out pretty good because you can do some really important stuff with them. So, I know you came to see the fun things. We'll see if Skimmer wants to try something over here. We'll let her come over. See if she wants to play a little frisbee. Now, it's pretty fun playing frisbee, but it's even funner when you get to play with the sea lion. So we'll see if Skimmer's going to enjoy this. Amy may have to go swimming today. It's a good day for swimming. Yeah, water's just right. Or Skimmer could be up for contract negotiations, yeah. Looks like you lucked out. Way to go. Now, isn't that awesome? Man, she's good at it, too. Way to go. Amy's pretty good, too. Yeah, that's right. Give her a hand. All right. Well, talent runs in the family with these guys. We're going to get Chloe to show off now. All right. What we got in our box here? Oh, Chloe, look what we got. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. Way to go. Aren't you something? Way to go. Sounds like your fan club's here today, are they? Yeah, okay. Well, should we tell them? Should? Okay. All right, she always wants to give this away. Now, if she was swimming through the water, I don't know if you happened to notice how she was doing it. Yeah, she's got the ball balanced on her nose. But did you notice what her whiskers were doing? Yeah, she was using her whiskers up around the ball. Back to the old sensitive thing. She's able to use them to let her know when it's rolling. So we're going to try it one more time. And this time, check it out. And she is a ham for applause. So we'll get her to show off maybe. All right.